So what is up, guys? Steven from Merc Films here, back again with another video. And yeah, we're finally back in the GTR. It's been a while since I did an IRL video regarding the 32, but here it is. It's just because nothing's really been going on, and I haven't really had anything to do as of late. So I've been pretty quiet about this. I've just been doing some Forza videos and whatnot here and there, and then been hanging out on the Twitch streams. Be sure you guys go, oh my God, that's bright. Be sure you guys go check that out too if you ever have the chance. The links are in the description. But if you guys are wondering what's going on today we are doing a track day. It's a SCCA PDX, and everyone's split up into groups based on their prior experiences, how they are as a driver. Because I've only done one track day before, I will be put in the novice class. The track is going to be over at Gateway Motorsports Park. We're going to be using the oval and their road course, which is on the infield. So that should be fun. I know if you guys haven't seen it before, I did a track day, my very first track day there in the Focus ST, my dad's ST when he still had that. We did that in the Focus ST, and it was fun, but the track is pretty wide and not very many turns, but it was still a good time. It was kind of a good learning experience. I kind of wanted to experience that, but this time in the 32 since it's finally here. We are going to be moving here soon. Kind of the reason why I haven't done a track day yet, but I was going to wait until we were moved and do a track day wherever we end up in. But I figured, you know, since we are here, why not at least experience the the local track? Not really local, it's over in Illinois, but it's only like an hour or so away. Figured why not experience that in the 32, at least, you know, say I've been there, done that kind of deal. So we're going to be doing my first track day, my very first track day in the 32. I already did a track day in the ST, but this will be my first track day in the Skyline. The reason I haven't been filming much of the 32 is just because nothing's really been going on, nothing's really new on it. I did one other event after the last autocross video. I did one other autocross. I didn't really film it. I was just kind of there. I put it on my Instagram. If you guys want to see some kind of footage or pictures of that, if you want to know more about that, be sure to check that out. But I didn't do a video on it, so nothing else has been really going on with this car. But a few things that have changed. So let me pop the trunk for you guys. So I don't know if you guys can see, but the trunk is now stripped. This is as bright as I can make this camera. But the trunk has no nothing in it now, and also we replaced the battery bracket that I had before, the Optimum bracket. Replaced it with this battery box. Had that put in and mounted to the chassis. Before it used to be mounted to the board that was on the floor, the carpeted board, the wooden board. It was bolted to that, but now it's finally bolted straight to the chassis. It has a little breather hose right there, so I don't freaking know. It's complying with something. But so anyway, that's what we're doing today. Oh yeah, also at the autocross I lost my mirror. So I'm just waiting on that to come in. It said it's shipped, so I'm hoping I'll have that soon. It's supposed to rain today. Right now it's pretty nice, just cloudy right now. So hopefully the weather stays nice, at least enough for them to not cancel. Anyway, let's get going. I'll meet you guys over at the track. We're going to go ahead and take off. I want to try to film as much as I can of the event. I'm definitely going to be, there's going to be a lot of dead time in between, probably, assuming I don't break the car. There's going to be a lot of dead time in between the run groups. Since I'm novice, there's intermediate and advanced. There's going to be plenty of time in between their sessions where we're just kind of probably hanging out, not really doing anything. So I'll try to film their runs, you know, see some of how the better drivers drive. It'll probably be more fun to watch anyway on video. I'm going to be getting GoPro footage of driving. I'll probably have a helmet cam. Now this video will be edited down for the sessions, the 20-minute sessions. I want to edit it down just to the highlighted bits, you know, the good parts. But if you guys do want to see my full runs, my full sessions, the full 20 minutes of track time I get per session, I'll upload those as separate videos. I'll leave links down in the description for you guys to check out if you guys want to see raw unedited footage. Let's get going. I'll meet you guys over at the track in just a second. Alright guys, so we made it. Boom. There she is.
So this is also where the my last video was, and it was here at the same track they did when Formula Drift came to Missouri or St. Louis. This is the track they ran. Post a little clip from that video. But yeah, so here we made it. I already they have a self-tech here, so I didn't have to go through like a tech line or anything. I got introduced to my instructor. Like I said, it's going to be an instructor assigned to me because I'm a novice.
Is your instructor Chuck?
Used to being on this side. This is the first session. So it's like
Alright guys, so just did my first run. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's a lot of vibration under braking after a few laps coming off the front main straight. I guess Formula Drift was just this past weekend, so there's a bunch of rubber left from it, and I guess it got all stuck on my tires and my wheels got unbalanced, so my whole car would shake under braking. notice, I got one more session. The car started running really hot towards the end there because on the oval and through the straight, I'm like high RPM fourth gear, and I stay at high RPMs the whole time, so the car never gets a chance to cool off. But that's why I started short shifting quite a bit. So hopefully that helped. It immediately cooled down as soon as I started slowing down. So. Alright guys, well that is the end of the track day. I came off track on the end of my last session early. I wasn't feeling too good. I didn't even realize it was the 4th session, to be honest, so I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day. So guys, that is it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Hope it was fun to watch as much as it was, well, nothing will beat how fun it was to drive, but had a good time. I know the track is kind of not super technical and not super complicated or anything. It's pretty wide, but I had a good time, had a lot of fun. Car did really good other than some heat soaking problems, but other than that it was fine. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought or what you guys would like to see in the future. But yeah, that was a track day. Hope y'all enjoyed. Peace out, have a great day. We'll call it a night.